We have here today the final skim of the platters. Before we do the final skim, we machine the platters out of solid acrylic. We then leave the platters for a few days so that they can stress relieve, and then we come to do the final skim. As you can see that the final skim is very slow. The reason for this is that so we get an absolute perfect finish, so we don't have to do anything else to the platter whatsoever. So as you can see there, very slow skim. A lot of coolant so that the acrylic doesn't melt, and if it melts then obviously the finish will not be good at all. So that's just doing the outside skim. In a minute it will then go and do the bore. Unfortunately, because it takes so long, you can't obviously see the bore for now. I'll show you a finished platter. Just come over here. You can see, absolute beautiful finish, no lines. These are obviously the 26mm thick platters. Nice bore in the middle there. Radiuses on both sides. Give it an absolute beautiful finish. So yeah, this is obviously how we at Origin Live produce the perfect platters.